Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to change the download location of Telegram application to SD card. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and comments after watching the video. So, let's get started. And I will say right away that some people prefer to download information and media files not on the iPhone memory but on SD card. And the default download location in Telegram is always the phone memory. And now I'm going to show you how you can change that. So first of all, open the Telegram app. Then on the top left, click on the three bars. Select Settings. In Settings, select Data and Storage. And now friends, you'll need to select an option called Storage Path. Click here. And here, as you can see, there are two options. The first one is storage on your device and SD card. To go to the SD card, just click on it. Then click Continue, but keep in mind that when you switch the download to SD card, it can slow down your Telegram a little bit. And if you are happy with that, then just click Continue, and then in the future all your data will be downloaded to SD card. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes. Take care.